anything we can do, all the experience we have as leaders in this country, we are there to assist in any way. We're just a telephone call away. And